So I'm going to walk you through the classic scenario of looking for your dream acreage. The reality is that most people out looking, they'll find the perfect piece of property with a house that's just too nice to rip down and put up exactly what you want. Or you find the perfect house in the less than ideal location or the less than ideal property. Well, this property that we're going to show you today is the perfect combination of both of those. Let's have a look at this place.
One of the very unique things about this property is that there's 3 driveway accesses. There's your main long winding driveway up to your estate. There's also your daily access driveway off the side of the property. And then there's a 3rd driveway access to keep all of your farm equipment and all the access to the farm animals right in its own place away from the home. From the moment you walk through the front door, you're going to be blown away by all of the details that were masterfully executed in this custom home.
So inside every iconic estate, it's the kitchen where people spend their time. And this space is unbelievable. You've got your sub-zero fridge, freezer combo, you've got an ice maker, wolf stove, right next to it a temperature-controlled wine room. This space is unbelievable and you'll love entertaining here.
At nearly 20 acres, this amazing estate on Burgess in Mount Lehman, Abbotsford is absolutely stunning. It has everything you could possibly imagine for your family, from the pool, the outdoor living space. It really is something special.
So isn't this place absolutely spectacular? And I have to say, it's the outdoor living spaces around the pool that just set this estate apart like none other. But hey, if you'd like to take a tour of the property, we'd love to connect with you, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your property in today's market, again, email us anytime. We'd love to connect with you.